Hi everyone and welcome to week 2. This week we're going to take an in-depth look at a company's values, beliefs, and attitudes. This is found in your Chapter 3 reading, Organizational Environments and Cultures. But let's think about this. What influences a company's ethical decision-making process? And how do companies respond to societal needs or demands for social responsibility? All this and more will be found in your reading for Chapter 4, Ethics and Social Responsibility. This week, you're going to be researching companies that have made statements about their sustainability efforts. What is the difference between social responsibility and sustainability, and how would social responsibility and sustainability efforts become more complicated in an international environment? After you've completed your research and shared your insights with us in the Week 2 discussion forum, be sure to respond to 2 of your peers. This week, you're also going to be reading a case study about the ethical issues that surrounded the Procter & Gamble Tide Pods. This case study is very interesting, and it's one that you're probably already familiar with. But don't get caught up or lost in the scenario. Keep your eye on the ethical issues. That's the point in this week's learning, is the ethical issues behind this. Make week 2 a great week as you learn about ethics and social responsibility. Talk to you soon.